Hello everyone. So I was thinking, what should I talk about today? It's too hard to find new content every day, na? So and I can't share my daily routine. It's so boring. Like we just slept, have lunch, and then also slept. This too boring. So what I was thinking, yeah, hmm, I was learning DSA from Striver, where most of the learners people are learning. So I think I can explain a question today, which I have learned. So the topic is stack and queue, and the question is next data element. So suppose you have given an array of size n, and you have to find a different array of which Um, I'll repeat the question. Suppose you had given an array of size n, and you have to find the next greater element of each element. Like suppose the element is at index 0, hmm, you have to find the next greatest element in the right, of the array. Just immediate in the immediate right of, you have to find the next greater element. I hope you understand the question. I don't have tab, or else then I'll could explain it on the tab. So I hope you can understand just by listening. Mm, so what you have to do is, first, since you have to keep track of the largest element in the right, greatest element in the right. So if you start from first element, let's say I give you a brute force approach, then what you can do is the you start a loop from index 0 to n minus 1, and if within each loop you can initiate another loop from I, let's say you keep a loop from I equal to 0 to n minus 1, then you start another loop from j equal to I to n minus 1, and if you find a greatest element, you store in the answer vector, and keep doing it till the last index. This is the brute force, and the time complexity is big of n square, and the space complexity is big of n, because you have to store the answer in answer vector. No, so space. This is the space at time complexity, and this will be our brute force approach. Hmm. Then about the optimal approach, hmm, it's a stack based. Suppose you so you initialize a stack named st, hmm, and what you should do, that you traverse from the rightmost element and keep backtracking, and from which what you can do is you can keep track of the right elements. So I will explain more. Hmm. Listen. Suppose, and the last for the last element of the array, you can't have any right greatest element, because there are no elements in the right or the last element. No? So let's say we if there are no greatest element, we could keep it minus one. So we we initialize a stat, and we start the row from the bad side, top right side. First I equal to n minus 1. Then what happened, that the last index will go to the and stack hmm? and then loop will go further, I equal to n minus 2, and then it will see if the our element at index I, hmm, is is greater than or less than of the topmost element. If the topmost element of the stack is greater than our element at index I, then it will be the next greater element for the index I. And if it's not, it will keep popping the elements, it will keep deleting the elements from the stack till the element at the top of the stack is greater than the element at the index I. So this is how we will do it. I know it's very hard to understand, like I have not even used pen and paper, so obviously it's hard. Okay, I'll try my best to explain. This is the approach, and its time complexity will be big of n, and the space complexity big of 2n. Big of n for storing the answer, and big of n matrix n for the stack. So that's all for the question. If you think I can do something more to improve my communication, or to explain the question better, or you if you want me to explain something, you can comment. hmm, and obviously if you like my approach, or means you can write a video if you are seeing watching the me. So yeah, I was talking about the last video about the theft incident happened to me. Yeah, the thing is, I lost my phone, I lost my sim. Now I have bought my new sim, by the way, but I want the original sim. There are so many contacts and more important in it. Mm, the video is still 620, and I was thinking of made it to till 10. So what should I tell you guys? Yeah, yeah. I will talk about my campus, college campus. So by now you must have known that I'm studying college, and right now I am inside my room. My roommate has not come in summer, and I was here. I am here. Hmm. So I was thinking, it's actually crazy you live in alone, but at the same time you miss something. Means it sometimes it would be fine to have a roommate. It will keep you at least engaging, and it's feel you alive sometimes. I think don't think alive is the exact word, but I mean it should important to have a roommate. You don't have bad thoughts, and even if you watch a horror movie, then you won't get scared if you have a roommate. So having a roommate is important, but oh, you I know we all need some privacy, and we all want that that we get a single room. So I get a single room, and in next sem I also get a single room. So this is the good thing or bad thing, I don't know. Let's see what happens. hmm. About my campus is, my campus is so beautiful. Right away, it's so large campus. I don't tell my college name or even my name. Hmm? I don't know I have told my name or not, but I don't told my college name, so I will tell some after some time. So my campus is very vast. Even till date, I have it has been 2 years, but I don't have even read see the every corner of my campus. We use bicycles. Hmm. And I think that should be all. But yeah, at the last end of this video, I want to give a advice or a moral life lesson that I know we all should do a hard work. Hmm. I know smart work is important, but taking shortcuts is not smart work. Smart work is doing hard work intelligently. What that is what I think. Hmm. Because I know talent is good, having talent is good, but keep doing hard work. And because if you can do hard work, you can achieve anything. Don't compare it with some talent. Hmm. So that's all. Radhe Radhe.